Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, efficient and effective drones on the farm video series. In this segment we will demonstrate the efficient and effective use of a drone for preventative fence maintenance and troubleshooting. At Pigeon River Farm we raise pastured poultry, cattle, goats, sheep and horses. Fencing is one of the most crucial infrastructure components on our farm, and scheduled daily fence inspections are an important part of our ongoing preventative maintenance program. Drones allow us to perform routine fence inspections regardless of adverse or dangerous field conditions such as deep mud, snow, or extreme temperatures. The efficient use of a drone also enhances the inspection process, and it takes only a fraction of the time and energy once required for daily in-person inspections. Careful planning and consistency will produce the most efficient and effective fence and gate system inspections. We begin our daily drone fence inspection with a rapid flyby from a side angle at approximately 90 feet and 5 miles per hour. This allows us to instantly identify any damaged areas or gate issues that need immediate attention. As we proceed, we are also looking for fence sections that may be showing signs of stress or wear. Where the fence abuts a tree line, we look for fallen trees or branches that may be touching the fence. These conditions are notorious for compromising the output of an electric fence. Next, we circle back and take a closer look at trouble spots that were identified in the initial rapid flyby. We also look at areas with high livestock travel. To accomplish this, we reduce our altitude and hold a parallel course to the fence. This also allows us to further assess the damage and arrive in the field fully prepared with the tools and supplies needed for the repair. With daily flights, we have improved our piloting skills and developed confidence in our ability to fly the drone lower and closer to the fence. In the process, we have also learned that our drone's avoidance system will not always recognize a shiny wire on a high tensile fence. Drones are a valuable tool for troubleshooting electric fence issues. It's not uncommon for an insulator to become damaged, or for a high tensile wire to become removed from the insulator. The unprotected wire will often short-circuit on a foreign object in the field. With practice and extreme caution, a helpful drone technique for electric fence inspections is to fly in a low-light environment looking for the arc of a shorted wire. Of course, low-light flights will also require additional caution due to the increased potential for a collision. Remember safety first. When piloting a drone, always follow the manufacturer's safe operating instructions, and always comply with applicable federal, state and local licensure and flight regulations. Thank you for joining us today. Drone technology has proven to be a cost-effective and efficient tool for preventative fence maintenance and troubleshooting at Pigeon River Farm. Above all else, time is a farmer's most precious and perishable resource.